Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to explain order of a differential equation and degree of a differential equation with suitable examples. See, first of all, look at the definition of order of a differential equation. The highest derivative involved in the given differential equation is called its order. Okay, for example, consider a differential equation. I am taking x square into d square y by dx square plus 2x into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to sin x. I am taking this equation. Clearly we are observing that this is the first derivative. Dy by dx is known as first derivative of y with respect to x. What is this? This is second derivative. D square by dx square is nothing but second derivative with respect to x of y. Okay, so clearly among these two derivatives, second derivative is the highest derivative. That's why here order of the differential equation is 2. Okay, just by eye contact we can easily decide what is the highest derivative involved in the given equation. So just by seeing the differential equation we can easily tell the order of the differential equation, but the concept of degree of a differential equation is very difficult. So please listen. Degree of a differential equation. So the power of highest derivative, involved in the given differential equation when derivatives of that differential equation should be free from radicals and fractions. Is called degree of that differential equation. Okay, so anyway, from the definition, what is the degree of a differential equation? Degree of a differential equation is nothing but power of highest derivative involved in that equation. Okay, see this example. Clearly we are observing that in this example second derivative is the highest derivative. That's why order is 2. Okay, the power of, it means that you should look at whole power of d square y by dx square. It is only 1. That's why degree is 1. Okay, for order you should look at the power of d only here. But for degree you should look at the whole power of d by dx. Don't forget it. Okay, and one more important thing is to decide the degree of a differential equation, the derivatives which are involved in the given differential equation should be free from radicals and fractions. It means that in the given differential equation derivatives does not contain whole power fractions. Okay, suppose given differential equation contains d square y by dx square whole power 4 by 5, then we can't decide the degree. Okay, you should free from radical powers of the derivatives. Don't forget it, which is very important. Also, the derivatives in the given differential equation does not lie in the denominator. Okay, in such cases also we can't decide the degree of the differential equation. See the examples. Find order and degree of the following differential equations. First one, d square y by dx square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5 by 3. Okay, just by eye contact we can easily decide what is the order of the given differential equation. See, so what is the order according to the definition? Highest derivative involved in the given equation is called its order. So this is first order, dy by dx is nothing but first order derivative of phi with respect to x. But this is second order derivative of phi with respect to x. That's why what is the order? We can easily decide the order, which is 2. But we can't decide the degree of the differential equation directly, because we are observing that some derivatives in the given equation contains radical powers. Okay, see, this derivative contains whole power 5 by 3. This is called radical power. Okay, we should eliminate it. For that purpose, cubing on both sides. Since it has whole power 5 by 3, cubing on both sides. You will get d square y by dx square whole cube is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5 by 3 whole power 3. So 3 by 3 getting cancelled. So you will get simply whole power 5. Now derivatives are free from radicals and powers. Okay. So you can decide the degree now. What is the mean by degree? Power of highest derivative. This is the highest derivative. Its power is 3. That's why degree is equal to 3. Very simple. Let us see this example. Here also, just by seeing the differential equation, we can easily tell the order. What is the order? Highest derivative. This is the first derivative. dy by dx is the first derivative. Look at the power of d only. Okay, it is d power 1 y by dx power 1, but it is d power 2 by dx power 2. That's why second derivative is the highest derivative. So that's why order is 2. Again, here we are observing that in the right hand side, one derivative contains radical powers. That's why we should reduce the given equation. So squaring on both sides, because right hand side contains whole power 3 by 2. So just squaring on both sides, you will get 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3. So clearly what is degree here? By expanding left hand side by using a plus b whole square formula, it is 1 square plus d square y by dx square whole square. So it would be 4. So that's why power of highest derivative is 4. So degree is equal to 4. Order is 2 and degree is 4. So I will give some more examples now. See. See the next example. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube whole power 6 by 5 is equal to 6/5. Clearly we are observing that dy by dx is the first derivative and d square y by dx square is the second derivative. So entire the equation, second derivative is the highest derivative. That's why order is 2. Just by seeing the differential equation, everyone can easily tell what is the order. But degree is the challenging thing. Okay. So to decide the degree of the given differential equation, we should remove this type of radicals. Okay. These are known as radical powers. For this, I will write this equation as d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube is equal to 6/5 whole power 5 by 6. Okay, I am transform the power to this side. So you will get whole power 5 by 6. Now clearly derivatives are free from radicals. That's why we can easily decide the order and degree. Order is 2, which is the second derivative, is the highest derivative, and what is degree? Power of highest derivative, which is 1. So order is 2 and degree is 1. Now look at this example. Fourth one. Clearly here also, this is the first derivative of phi with respect to x, and this is the second derivative of phi with respect to x. Only second derivative is the highest derivative involved in the given equation. That's why what is the order? Which is 2. But what about degree? Here the right hand side term contains log of dy by dx. So in such cases we can't decide the degree. So degree is undefined. Degree is equal to undefined. Don't forget it. Very, very important one. Okay, I will give one more example. See the next example. 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. Here we are observing that in the given differential equation, one derivative is occurred in the denominator. So first reduce it. Take this denominator to right side. It becomes 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to c times of d square y by dx square. So with this step you can easily decide the order. Only second order derivative is the highest derivative. That's why order is 2. This is first order derivative and this is the second order derivative. That's why order is 2. But we can't decide the degree directly here because one derivative is occurred in the radical power. So squaring on both sides. To eliminate this type of powers, I am squaring on both sides. So you will get 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole cube is equal to c square d square y by dx square whole square. Now clearly we are observing that the power of highest derivative involved in this equation is 2. Okay, that's why degree is 1. Sorry, degree is 2. Okay, thank you very much. In the next video, I will explain how to form a differential equation. That is next video. Thank you very much.